Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are diving into powerful combination of observable fields and live data with data binding in Android. This dynamic duo enables automatic UI updates and ensures your app stays reactive. Let's jump right into the code. First, let's create a view model with live data and observable fields. Okay, here I just created a mutable live data, and here we have observable field called count. So this observable field is a data type which is available in the data binding library. And we have just created one function called increment count. When this function is called, we're just incrementing the count. And we also have update data. When this function is called, we're just updating our live data. So now let's integrate our view model with the XML layout using data binding. Open the activity, and now we need to create a variable for our view model. So just create a variable view model, and here we need to give our view model path, which is nothing but our package name and our class name. Now for simplicity, I'm changing this constraint layout to linear layout, just removing this, creating one button text as the increment, and we have something called on click attribute, which will trigger when this button is clicked. So when this button is clicked, we need to call increment count function. So here we just specify at the rate open braces close braces and our view model name dot increment count. So this is the normal way we usually do, but only for on-click listener, we have to specify the callback. Now what will happen when someone clicking on this button, it will trigger this attribute and it will call our increment count function, and the count will be increased. And we will try to print that function above, removing the title view model dot count. I am just making the orientation as a vertical and gravity as a center. Again rerunning the application. We are getting error. Why? Because we are not initialized the view model in this particular activity. Let's go and link the view model. This is how we will create a view model instance, and then we need to assign that view model to our XML. So here I'm just assigning that, and we are just assigning the lifecycle owner also. Now we will run the application again. Let's see if you are not getting any crash. Again we are getting crash. This time we need to make sure this as a string. So what we will do is just call string dot value of and passing our count, and we'll run the app again. Now there is no issue. If we click on increment, it is updating. Now we just did this with observable field. This is the same way we need to use with live data also. We used the increment count. Now I am trying to use update data, going XML and creating another button. This time add new data. Inside I'm just passing. Now on click of this, we are updating this live data. Now we need to observe this live data in our activity. Just we need to call our view model instance dot data dot observe. So here we need to pass the lifecycle owner, which is nothing but our activity, and here this is the output. So when we getting the output, I'm just trying to toast it. Now we will run the app again. So I'm just incrementing, it's working fine, and I'm trying to add new, clicking on new data, and it is showing the toast data binding, which is nothing but our app name. And that's it guys. By utilizing observable fields and live data, we are able to automatically update UI, and our app becomes more reactive and lifecycle aware. We'll see you on next video. Thank you.